Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best gas cans that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the No Spill 1415 1-1/4 gallon poly gas can. They don't call it the No Spill for nothing. This gas can has a convenient thumb latch for easy pouring, along with a 7/8 inch spout to fit any number of sizes. It's a lightweight 340 grams and has a footprint of just 1 square foot. The No Spill is a wonderful option for keeping stowed in a vehicle in case of emergency, as it holds just enough gas to get your car moving in a pinch. The No Spill spout is fully user-controlled, so you tip the can vertical, insert the spout into the vessel opening, then press the button to begin and control pouring. To stop pouring, simply release the button. Practically eliminates spills and overflows. The only spill-proof spout with thumb button control that does not push down on your tank's filler neck to pour. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Wavian Authentic NATO Jerry Fuel Can. This NATO Jerry Fuel can is a heavy-duty beast of a can. With a weight of 10 pounds, it's not for basic everyday emergency use. With a capacity of 20 liters, this can is perfect for industrial use, or for keeping around the home for riding lawnmowers and other medium-sized equipment. It has an extra long pour spout and anti-corrosive interior and exterior coating. This gas can was intended to take a beating, and it's likely to last for years. There are other, cheaper cans out there, but this is the genuine NATO spec can. Welds are high quality, no leaks, paint job is perfect. Sadly, it won't be when I'm done with it, but that's on me. Purchased for an upcoming overlanding trip, this can will be mounted to my roof rack. At number 3, we have the Scepter rectangular fuel tank. Scepter makes a great gas can for daily home use. Molded from high-density polyethylene, it's lightweight yet durable. It has a capacity of 9 gallons, making it great for regular use as well as emergency needs. It includes integrated hand molds for easy carrying and stowing, which can be extra useful if you plan to store it in a cluttered workshop or garage. The Scepter portable boat gas tank provides ample capacity while maintaining a compact, space-saving profile for easy transport and storage. It is great for outboard motorboats and boaters who want longer running time. At number 2, we have the Justrite Galvanized Steel AccuFlow can. This gas can is especially useful for handling highly hazardous materials. It has a 2-gallon capacity and includes a 5/8 inch flexible spout. Made from a solid steel alloy, you can be certain that this gas can will transport gasoline or any other hazardous material safely. The Justrite Type 2 was designed and built for industrial use, but works just as well for transporting hazardous liquids at home, keeping you safe and sound. Steel construction with powder coat paint keep from happening's corrosion and improves wear and tear. A large ID zone allows you to label content of the can to avoid misuse. And finally, at number 1, we have the No Spill 1457 diesel fuel can. Diesel fuel typically shouldn't be transported in a standard gas can. It's more corrosive than regular gasoline, and therefore requires a different type of container. Many states even have laws against pouring diesel into a standard gas can. That's why you need a thicker designed can like this one. It also includes a dust cover and integrated mesh stainless steel screen for pouring. To stop pouring, simply release the button. Practically eliminates spills and overflows. The only spill-proof spout with thumb button control that does not push down on your tank's filler neck to pour. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.